Thank you for the introduction. Mark is currently on vacation, but I'm happy to give you all a big hello from London. A slightly longer commentary today on the weekly technical patterns of last week than I managed here last time. In the currencies, we had a weekly key reversal up last week in US dollar against the Canadian dollar, which has not had a follow-on higher this week, but at the same time has also limited interest in pursuing a move lower. The next one is US dollar against the Brazilian real, which had a weekly key reversal up last week, if a somewhat tepid one. Well, this week we've not had a follow-on higher, as the bright red overhead upper bear channel line, currently at 50030, has acted to crush any attempts higher. Though the short medium moving average below, currently at 495.83, the green one, is giving the market some significant support. I believe very soon, in the words of Frank Sinatra, something's got to give. We also had a weekly key reversal up in US dollar against the Hungarian forint last week, and this, like the others, has not seen a follow-on higher, such that the only thing I can add is that the market is still within last week's range. Now, onto the crosses. And we had a weekly key reversal down last week in Swiss franc Polish zloty cross, which has seen a suitable move and follow-on lower, such that prices made new lows, not seen since June 2022. There was nothing last week in the stock index or stock index futures markets I follow, nor in the fixed income markets. So it's onto the commodities, and we had an interesting one. The Brent crude oil to Gasoil spread had a weekly key reversal down last week. This week, we've had an excellent follow-on lower to this action already, enough that we are starting to challenge the December 2023 low at 21 even. Over now to Chicago lean hog futures, which had a weekly key reversal down last week, and since seen, well, an almost opposite effect, with prices moving up towards the high of last week. Finally, in shipping, there was a weekly key reversal down last week in the Baltic Exchange Dirty Tanker Index, which this week has seen the start of a follow-on lower, moving towards the lows of this year at 1142, formed at the start of March. As always, I'm happy to answer any direct questions with anyone who's interested. And with that, I'll finish this section from London, and I hope that you found these comments useful.
Thank you for listening. This weekly broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpick and ADM Investor Service International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.